Hey there everyone, how are you all doing? I'm Leon and welcome to another video. I produce content every day focused around video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So if those are your interests, then be sure to subscribe with notifications on. So today I'm going to be showing you how to download and use a free screen recording software called iScream Screen Recorder. And yes, you did hear that right. So without any further hesitation, let's begin the video. Alright everybody, so this is the official iScream Screen Recorder download page, and essentially you've got the free download which is available on Windows, Mac and Android, or you have the pro version, but we're going to go for the free version as that's what the video is about. And essentially just wait for the software to download on the bottom left. Alright everybody, so as you can see, iScream Screen Recorder has been installed, so essentially just click open, and as per usual you're going to get the "do you want to allow this app to make changes, blah blah," click yes, and as you can see the setup wizard has technically loaded up, so English, okay. And as you can see, iScream Screen Recorder setup wizard has been officially loaded up, so just click I accept the agreement, and you can choose your destination folder. I'm going to go for default, click next, and click install. And as you can see, iScream Screen Recorder is officially installed, so just, click finish, and it's going to load up. Alright everybody, so iScream Screen Recorder is officially loaded up, so you can change your recording settings, or just, so just click save settings. And this is the interface you are basically met with, so you can capture your screen, you can capture your mouse and all that stuff. And you can record games as well in case you're a gaming YouTuber, and you can screenshot your screen as well, and you can record your audio. So full screen, and as you can also see, you can change the resolution, and in order to record, just click the record button. Upgrade to pro version. Yeah, there's a pro version unfortunately, and the record limit is 5 minutes, and it's going to have a watermark. Ouch. But yeah, don't show this message again, and essentially there's a countdown. Yeah, there it is, it's recording as you can see. So you can just drag it around. Let's have a look at draw, see what happens there. So draw around. And you can add some shapes and text and stuff like that too, which is quite cool. And you can change the colour as well, and yeah, that's basically it. Alright everybody, so that's it for how to download and use iScream Screen Recorder. If this video is of value to you, then be sure to subscribe with the bell on for more content. Give the video a thumbs up and share it to help me rank in search results to help the channel grow. And leave your questions or feedback down below, or leave me a message at leonofficial_17. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Take care everybody.